guys, welcome back to Vlogtober Day 8. Day 8. If you missed days 1 through 7, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist, and I will link it above and below so you can catch up on all the Vlogtober and unboxing fun. If you guys are new, what Juliet and I are doing is we are counting down to Halloween, so we are doing 31 videos in 31 days, and we have a bit of a countdown as far as opening gifts every single day, or one gift. It really just depends on what Grammy decided to do. She is the one that curated all of Vlogtober for us. She has curated all of our Vlogtobers, and I am including the playlist to all the ones we've done below so you guys can just see, you know, how much fun we have every year doing this. So today we have two. One for each of us. You guys should watch yesterday's because Juliet got some really cool things. It was just a her video, and it was awesome. All right, you want to go first? You want me to go first?
You go first.
Okay. So this is the cute Halloween bag. I feel like it's a oh, is it so? Oh my god. I was literally just saying I don't have these socks. Okay, I love socks. You can never have too many socks. But I don't have Ghostface, and I freaking love Ghostface, and I got Ghostface socks. So I have one of like just the one face, and it says Ghostface on the back, and then little mini ghost faces. It's funny because I was wearing my Ghostface PJs yesterday. Love these. And then I got adorable vampire teddy socks. Where'd she get these? So they look like this, and this like, he's almost like a little 3D little plushie on the top. So cute. I don't know if you guys can see. It's hard for us with our setup to see if you can see. If these aren't coming out, I will insert a photo, but and then there's bats. So cute. Okay, what'd you get? More nail stuff?
I got more things.
Ooh! And you like the Claire's glue.
Okay, side note, if you're doing your nails, do not, in Claire's glue, it might seem like it's kind of bad because you know Claire's is like mini stuff, but I'm here to let you know that it's some good glue out there.
Wait, is that the one, or was it the Five Below glue? You got some glue that you said was the best. It was Claire's?
It was Claire's. Okay. So, like, if you need, like, glue,
be going to Claire's.
I'm telling you it's good.
And it's not, like, crazy expensive.
No.
I'm sure Sally's has some good glue, right?
Yeah.
All right, side note over.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like a
Wednesday socks, or it's a tie. Oh, that's cute. She got a Wednesday tie. It's like your little Nevermore girl. That is adorable. Here, were they able to see your nails? So this is what the tips look like. So cute. I love that. That's adorable.
It's like I think it's like a Wednesday notebook.
It is. It's got like a notepad, a pen.
I'll open it.
Let's take it out.
We got a cute little notebook.
Super cute. Can I see it?
We got sticky notes.
Yeah, Post-its. This is like a little journal. Just in case you couldn't see very well. That's really cute.
Right about all the weird people. Okay.
Oh.
We got pens.
And did you get an eraser?
Yes.
All right, hold those up. Wow, that is really cute. I wonder what maybe she got that at Claire's. Maybe all this is from Claire's. It doesn't say.
I'm all Wednesdayed up.
You are, but it's the best. The series is super good. We watched we watched part 1 in like a day or two.
Yeah.
And part 2 in like a day or two.
Yeah.
It's super good.
We should do a updated Addams Family like
photos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I showed you guys our video of our Addams Family photo shoot. I'll link it above if anyone's new, but we just did recently a new family photo shoot for this year. We collabed with the photographer that did our first one. And it was incredible.
This one was so good.
I mean, you can't compare them because they're very different. We're not going to say what we did yet. We reveal it when we reveal it, but they're very different. But this one was in some ways more incredible.
Yeah.
Just because of the vibe and where we went to shoot, and it's going to be epic.
Really scored them when we got to take the picture.
The location is insane. And a little spoiler, we did have a security guard.
Guys, we almost got arrested. Just
come and tell us that we needed to leave. It was so fun. It was fun. I can't wait to share that. And yes, we'll be sharing it here. I'm going to do I'm going to share. Okay, that is it for day 8. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 9. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.